Tesla has returned to record highs. That's today's Musk Minute. The stock is close to, it's $403 per share, and it's inching closer to that 420 price. Remember when Elon Musk tweeted out saying, "Am considering taking Tesla private at 420, funding secure."
All-time classic.
That infamous
all-time
tweet.
classic.
Yes, an all-time classic. And that, of course, at the time was a premium on Tesla stock. Now, Tesla not so far from 420. Shares have surged 54% since Tesla reported that surprise profit in late October. Wow. And guys, I remember when earlier this year we were talking about Tesla's struggles and problems. It really, if we show the full year chart, it really hit a valley there. But man, in the last few months, total comeback.
So like
Look at that in June.
The stock today is this report that they're going to cut prices on the Model 3 in China. Yep. And that, you know, what's going on there, the Gigafactory in Shanghai, it's actually ahead of schedule. So I think there's a big play on the Chinese consumer. EVs are just massive there. You're talking about a huge market. And also, I don't know how Elon is perceived in China, but it would not surprise me if he had a celebrity status in China.
Around the world. Around the world.
Absolutely.
Globally, yeah. So, I mean.
He's Tony Stark.
I mean, yeah, he's, exactly.
Despite many flaws. He's a flawed Tony Stark.
I mean, okay, so I'm going to put on my Miles Upland hat, or Miles Upland vest, if you will, in this case. But, okay, Tesla's at an all-time high, but so is the stock market.
Yep.
Right?
Good.
But what's impressive, though, is that they got most of their gains in the last few months, the last 2 months, right? I mean, it was having a not-so-great year until it reported that surprise profit. I think that very much is a very important storyline for 2019 for Tesla, because it had been so bad. There were a lot of, kind of overarching narratives about how maybe they were just spending too much money and weren't making enough margins because the price was so low on the Model 3, for example. Yeah. So the China market's going to be huge for them in 2020. It'll be interesting to see, but all-time highs. Congratulations for Tesla, but again, now you've just kept up with it.
But also keep in mind, you also have a lot of short sellers, a lot of really well-respected, smart investors who have been quite bearish on this stock as well, who've been voicing their own concerns. So, I don't know. Who knows?
You have some that are saying...
Who knows? Anything can happen.
Then some are saying Tesla stock should be going up to 2,000.
Well, and let's also point out, just because the stock has returned, stock is not equal one-to-one to the company having a total company.
And this
Let's see what happens.
is why you should do your own homework. That's all I got to say.
You do your own homework, says Julia.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.